Hey friends, we're working on the 97 Toyota 4Runner today, and we are going to be replacing the engine air filter. This is actually a very simple process. Shops can charge you $50, $60 sometimes to do this. I'm going to show you in this video how to do it and save you some bucks. Now for this 97 4Runner, we're going to need this air filter. This is made by Bosch. Here is the part number. We're going to put some links in the description box below if you'd like to pick it up for yourself on Amazon. Now with the engine compartment open, we're going to be looking on the passenger side over here, and our engine air filter is located in this little compartment here. So there's a couple of tabs that we need to pull back, and basically we can just pull open this compartment, and you can see the old one here. Now, as you might be able to see, this thing is pretty darn dirty, but basically you just pull it slightly out and up, and it just slides right out, no problem. Now we may want to take just a little bit of cleaner, kind of clean up some of these areas down here. See, we actually have quite a bit of junk down in this area. Again, just make sure this is nice and clear of debris before you put the new one back in. Okay, we've got things cleaned up a little bit here. It's time to put in the new air filter. Typically, this is the same kind of on both sides here, but as you can see, we do have some arrows that show airflow. So again, just follow that airflow chart, which means we're gonna put it in just like this. You can stick it in there. Should feel nice and secure. And then we'll go ahead and shut that compartment. And that, friends, is it. That's how you change your old air filter for a new air filter. I hope that has saved you both some time and some money. If it has, would you hit that thumbs up button for us? Let us know we're making helpful videos, and stay tuned because we're making a ton of these 4Runner tutorial videos, DIY videos to make your life just a little bit easier. We'll see you again on the next one.